how to find specific product to shop on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find specific product to shop on Instagram, like category or type of clothes or of makeup or anything. Just go to your Instagram, go click on the shop icon beside like the reels icon. Now if you didn't find the product you want in here, like clothes, makeup, all you need to do is click on the search shop. Now for example, I want a makeup. And you're gonna find a lot of like shops. You choose one of them. For example, click on the first one and you're gonna find their product. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.